This video is about Matsyasana, or fish pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go into detail about how we can have a really good fish pose. This is a wonderful heart and throat opener. It really helps to open up those chakras. Some props that we could use are a block, a bolster. If you don't have a bolster, then you can take a firm blanket and roll it up. And we will cover how to use the props and how to do it with your arms behind your back, and also how to do it with your arms nice and straight. So we will just dive in. We can start by turning to line up with the long edge of the mat. You can take your bolster and you want to put it along your upper back by your shoulders. You can have your hands by your hips, slide your hands under your hips, come back. Try to have the arms in pretty close to the torso. Stretch your arms out, reach through your heels, do an external rotation of your arms, and that'll help you open up your chest. Let your head fall back, slide your shoulder blades together. Let your neck just elongate and stretch out. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Good job. Just stay with your breath. And slowly come back up. Good job. Move the bolster. And if we use a block, you want to take the block and have it against your upper back. You don't want to have it, you want to make sure that you can have your head fall back right along your spine. Have it lengthwise. Just prop yourself up. This can be an excellent prop for assisting you to open up your chest. Oftentimes when people do this in their yoga practice, they collapse the chest. They don't open it up to the full potential. So have your arms stretched along your sides, external rotation of the arms. Let the neck elongate and fall back. Just feel your shoulder blades slide towards each other. Reach through your heels, ground through the backs of the legs. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through your nose. Good job. Slowly come back up. Set the prop aside. You can take your hands, place them underneath your hips. Have your knees bent. And have the arms really close to the spine. Stretch your legs out, prop your chest open, shoulder blades come towards each other. External rotation of the arms, let the head fall back. Elongate the neck. Just allow the chest to open up. The head may or may not touch the floor. It depends on if you've been doing yoga for a while, the flexibility that you have. Everybody's shaped differently. If your head does touch the floor, we don't want to put a lot of the weight into the head. The neck should be elongating. We should be propping ourselves up with our shoulder blades, having those active. Slowly come out of the pose. Walk the hands out as far as you can. Activate the legs. Reach through the heels. Just feel your chest popping open. Let the shoulder blades come together. Activate the forearms. Feel the neck grow nice and long. Shoulder blades come together. Good job. Very nice. Bring your knees into your chest. Give them a little squeeze. Squeeze the right leg in, stretch the left leg out. Just switch sides. And slowly make your way up to a seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today with the foundations of Matsyasana, fish pose. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Check me out on Instagram as well. And keep practicing. You really need to stay dedicated in your practice, and it can change your life. It can help reduce anxiety, depression, and just give you an overall sense of well-being and calmness. It truly did that for me. I used to struggle with depression and anxiety. So there you have it. Until next time, my friends, may love and light be yours. Namaste.